In this video, I'm going to share some information about Royal Caribbean cabin categories and how well they will work with a scooter or wheelchair. Coming right up. This is cabin 9502. Its category is Spacious Ocean View. And it's about 211 square feet, so about 30% larger than the cabins we've looked at previously. It has lots of room. It would work with a scooter and or a wheelchair. You have a really interesting view out the window here because you basically look down on the helipad on the ship, and you're very far forward and you're basically looking right off the bow there. It's a gorgeous cabin. The limitation would be in the shower. You'd have the lip to the bathroom and the lip into the shower, and you would not have the pull down rod. But as we look around the room, what you see is it's just a ton of room. It's a very, very nice room. And it's one that he said was very, very popular on the ship. I can understand why. If you got value out of this video, do me two favors. Hit the subscribe button and the notify button. That'll let you know when I create my next video. And then hit the like button. That lets YouTube know the content was worthwhile. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.